Te ladan sa kajing jia Japan ka ba khnyu ka ba jor ha khalai tarik na kong achau posan barhawat kani kala ade shisha kata kasngi i ka ba blay ai kasan ma ba pun i ka bor ba long blay ba kraw bor ba don bor bat ha ka tu ka jing jia Los Angeles lai i ba saphyang ba ka tu ka video ba ka por ba ka announce ka tu ka por ba announce ha ka tu ka Golden Globe chong ka Hollywood ka ba prapo ka ba ar la ong ba hang tu ba blay long bla thau ki e baro hanrei le tho hang te jiro kumta kan ka sa chia hadin kumba sau pra kanta ka tu ka jing ing Los Angeles tung ni snap ka bakini ki kren bat ngin sak pet biang ham shakmat chushu.
Welcome to the 82nd Golden Globes. You were incredible in Dune. Oh, woke up for all of your scenes. What a year you've had. Glenn, couch shots and you'll go, oh, that was before that. Moms are holding strong with 3 shout outs. God, creator of the universe, 0 mentions.
Fire breaking out late this evening in the Hollywood Hills. Who would have ever thought this? Los Angeles is on fire.
I talked to a fireman once.
Kaching ing kalong ka bashir khay haba kimla ban pet kimla asu ban le am but ki fire brigade but na aeroplane ru kila soj but kila le kat bala nakabor sarkar handai kimla le ki kali ki ing kumba ing ki ding but ki hieng ki sem paro ki ing lut but tungin pet khindia je jingjia gola dep but ki ba ngalai i lang ba ka jing yathu wain kinong yalap ong ba ka Egypt empire klangat chi ka jing Babylon empire ka Assyrian empire ka Persian Immediate Alexander the Great Macedonian Greek empire kila do no ka Roman empire kila do no ba klamat ki jing baro kingat ki jing hadin ba kila le ka bomdai but ki challenge blay ba utrai jongi Jesus Christ but kumta kingat hagni ki jing but toru ngnya pet hagpor ba ki jing ja ha Babylon bangi i ba latho anha ka Bible kalnong na jing pen pau kalnong ka ba khat phra bat kat khot kumto ka ba phra ter ka ba ong ba ka jing sngusi ba bat ka dem sneer bat an thang do yakar ka ding na ba kra bor long try bo play ba bishare ka te kita kis im jong kata ka khandau ki balai klimsi bat ki balai im pahu hai bat ka kin yayam bat kin yalam lenyar lempat na ka benta jongka anda kin yakmi yakatdem ka cimplu jongka haba ki yang nasa jengai namar kata ka jing septing ya ka jing kordit jongka ki daya ong kordit kata ka nongba ka bakraw ka Babylon kata ka nongba ka donbor na ba ha ka ba shipor kalapoi kata ka jing sitam jongpa man ngi iru hang ne ba na ka wei ka long yeng bat long ba kata ka long yeng ba pning ka jing plu pro sodong handai na pning jong kita ka long yeng kim sam la ing satia bat kita dap da ka jing sungumalong bat aingu e ublay bat la jaw ki umat bat haba ki perkhat ya ka jing ka chung ublay ki handai ka long pat ka jing sndai ki wei pat haba ki i bakla ing bat kala dap shibun da ka jing sungusi kumta tung nyapet hi ka ka bakidan ban ang.
I shouldn't be crying because my entire block is burnt down. But God saved my house. Why are all of my neighbors? Why are they? And then in the middle of 2 burnt down blocks, there's one house standing, and that's mine.
Bat kini gede ni kita gilong yeng ke bak ding bat kitlit ding kimla satia ya ke ban ing bat namar kata tungin kan kita ki beriu kiba nget bat kiba pedang ke kiba ke Bible ke ong namar baro ki bakren ke Bible kelajia kini ke sngi kumbangi i ke jing shun jing sistem ke jing jot epra ke thma khunyu chumai bat ki we ke jing jia kiba latho aktin ke jong blek chalot kumta habangi ngin pe na ka chronicle kal nong ka ba anyo ka khot ka ba khat sa ka ba ong la dak brio chunga ki bla khot dak kerteng chunga kin penrit ld bat kin duai bat kin wat ja ka khmat chunga bat kin phaino na kin ti baman chungki kumta tengan sngew na bneng bat ngan ma ki pop chungki bat ngan penkhia e kari chongki te to na markata namta kari chongi ru kari khasi mentang i shibun gijing snew ki drugs pat ki we de gijing penya pro la don lastang banchia kum skui pat ki bar jala kumta to ngin ya long gi bru gi bakala bamod namar niru yo ngin long ha we gisngi ki bru gi ban sha gijing pen sitam ga bar kharau to play shibun nam dak brom chumlay amen.
And then we drive up the hill and there it is. By the grace of God, there it is.
The thought that it's still up there, it's just like, God, it's just so shocking to me. It's just like, oh my God.
Their home somehow undamaged by the flames.
It's emotional, right? How, because you thought there's just no way.
Yeah. We're truly blessed. But I'm so sad for everybody else that lives on the street because it won't be the same.
We're talking about people who know who their neighbors are and look out for each other, and this is clearly very tough for her.
Thanks to the